This is a brief history of the Perpetual Maumee traffic jam. October 8, 1989. Maumee and Perrysburg look at solutions to the traffic bottleneck on the bridge across the Maumee River. September 9, 1993. Toledo Metropolitan Area Government finished a study that showed a need for a new, 4-lane bridge across the Maumee River from Maumee to Perrysburg. February, 2001. Bids start for construction for a new, 4-lane Maumee Perrysburg bridge to replace the old 2-lane bridge. November, 2002. New, 4-lane Maumee Perrysburg bridge opens to great fanfare. Yay! October, 2019. The city of Maumee buys a $99,000 traffic study. July 2020. After studying the traffic pattern for months, Maumee City Council unanimously voted to approve the redevelopment of Conan Street to permanently keep only one lane of traffic each way. This effectively turns the 4-lane bridge back into a 2-lane bridge. The Maumee Perrysburg Bridge was already a bottleneck, and the city of Maumee reduced its capacity by half to benefit local Maumee Uptown businesses. There is a lot of positive news coverage of the Conan Street redevelopment. Soon, everyone will get used to traffic always being backed up for miles with cars trying to get across the Maumee River. And everyone will forget that there ever was 4-lane capacity on that bridge to begin with. This has been a brief history of the Perpetual Maumee traffic jam.